Welcome. Today I am with the INFINIX Note 12 Pro and I'm going to show you how Camera Pro Mode works in this smartphone. Okay, to open the Camera Pro Mode you have to swipe up with your finger and you will find this option right here. Next, we can find parameters at the bottom. Let's start from the first one. It's exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, we can set +2 or the -2. Here we can find the shutter speed. We can set it even for the 30 seconds. Next, we can find ISO. In this place, we can find the white balance. Right here we can find focus range. So right now the focus will be only on the objects that are far away from this camera lens. As you can see right now it's catching the focus, and if you want to focus on the close range objects you have to change it for this value. And right here you can find the matrix metering. When you go for this place, we can simply change the aspect ratio of the camera, and we can also enable the flashlight right here. So that's all. That's how the Pro Mode looks on the INFINIX Note 12 Pro 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.